Welcome, health-conscious viewers. Today we are peeling back the fridge door to uncover some chilling truths. It's time to talk about the foods you should never refrigerate for the sake of your health. Modern kitchen appliances have undeniably made life easier. From microwaves to refrigerators, our kitchens are filled with gadgets that streamline daily tasks. However, these conveniences can sometimes lead to health concerns. While the primary purpose of refrigerating foods is to cool them down and extend their shelf life, doing so can actually alter the flavor of certain foods. Refrigeration can also diminish their nutritional value or even hasten the spoiling process. Here are 7 foods you should not refrigerate. Potatoes. Refrigeration adversely affects the flavor of potatoes. When stored in the fridge, the cold temperature converts their starches into sugars more quickly, leading to an unpleasantly sweet taste. Additionally, when these sugars are cooked, they can combine with the amino acid asparagine and produce acrylamide, a potentially carcinogenic chemical. It also messes with their resistant starch, crucial for gut health. It's best to store potatoes in paper bags. Since plastic bags promote moisture and speed up the decay process, plastic bags can also cause havoc on women's hormones. Number 2 is herbs. It's natural to want to put fresh herbs straight into the fridge, but did you know they wilt faster there? The cold temperature and high humidity can break down the cell walls of herbs, causing them to become limp and lose their vibrant flavor. These herbs are our secret allies against inflammation, oxidative stress, and more. Instead, place them in a water-filled glass jar on your kitchen counter to keep them fresh and crisp. Number 3, stone fruits. Stone fruits such as peaches, cherries, and plums aren't exactly friends with the fridge. Cold temperature can halt the ripening process, resulting in fruits that are mealy and lacking in flavor. Additionally, moisture in the fridge can cause them to develop a mushy texture. Chilling them diminishes their antioxidants, which fight off free radicals, aging, and chronic diseases. It's best to keep them on the kitchen counter until they are ripe and ready to eat. Number 4, garlic. Refrigeration reduces the flavor of garlic and shortens its lifespan. The cold, moist environment can cause garlic to sprout and develop mold, posing a health risk. Garlic is the unsung hero of immune support, with allicin its superstar compound to help fight infections and lower blood pressure. But when garlic sprouts, it becomes bitter and loses much of its aromatic quality. So garlic should be stored in a paper bag in a cool, dark spot to maintain its flavor, freshness, and its health benefits. Number 5 are peppers. Whether red, green, yellow, or chili peppers, they don't need to be refrigerated. They are loaded with vitamin C. Peppers lose their crispness and flavor in the cold. Vitamin C is also fragile and does not like the cold. Additionally, the moisture in the fridge can cause them to become slimy and more prone to mold. Store them in a paper bag in a cool space to keep them fresh and crunchy. Number 6 are onions. The best way to store onions is again in a paper bag in a cool, dark spot, but away from potatoes. Potatoes release moisture and gases that can cause onions to rot. In the fridge, moisture can soften onions and make them susceptible to mold growth. Cold temperatures can also cause onions to become mushy, and their strong scent can permeate other foods. Keeping them out of the fridge helps maintain their texture and flavor. And number 7 are tomatoes. Refrigerating tomatoes can cause them to lose their flavor and develop a mealy texture. The cold temperature slows down the ripening process, affecting the production of compounds responsible for their taste. Furthermore, the moisture in the fridge can cause tomatoes to become watery and less firm. Store tomatoes at room temperature out of direct sunlight to preserve their taste and texture. Health isn't just about what we eat, it's about how we treat our ingredients. As we close the fridge door on today's journey, let's remember that sometimes the best way to protect our health is to embrace nature's design. These foods, when stored as nature intended, offer us their full bounty of flavors and nutrients. By choosing to store our food wisely, we are not just preserving its taste, we are safeguarding our health. We are preventing the growth of harmful molds and bacteria and ensuring that every bite we take is as nourishing as possible. So take these tips to heart. Let your kitchen be a place of natural harmony where every fruit, every vegetable, every herb is respected and enjoyed to its fullest potential.